Looking for an affordable everyday makeup routine for school? Today I'm sharing simple products that gives a natural fresh look without breaking the bank. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First and the most important step before makeup is sunscreen. This Korean sunscreen is one of my favorites. It's lightweight, leaves no white cast, feels moisturizing and sits beautifully under makeup. A good skincare routine is the foundation of any makeup look. Next is primer. This step is optional. If your skincare is working well, you can skip it, but primer can help your makeup last longer. This e.l.f. Power Grip Primer is one of my favorite drugstore primers. It has a slightly thicker, gel-like grippy texture that helps create the perfect base for foundation. It helps makeup stick better to the skin and gives your foundation a more even and long-lasting finish. For my base, I like something lightweight and natural for an everyday look. This Maybelline Dream BB Cream is one of my favorites because it gives a smooth, skin-like finish while keeping the skin looking fresh and moisturized. It feels comfortable on the skin, blends easily and gives you that natural, your skin but better look without feeling heavy. A little concealer can help brighten the under eyes and cover any areas where you want a little extra coverage. The NYX Pro Fix Stick is one of the creamiest stick concealers I have tried. The shade I am using is Vanilla. This glides smoothly onto the skin, works beautifully for spot concealing and blends out easily while giving you buildable coverage. I also love that it's quick and easy to use, especially for an everyday makeup routine. Adding blush and bronzer gives the face a fresh and healthy look. This is one of my favorite steps because it really brings the whole makeup look together. This Chic Glam Blush Duo is so beautiful because it comes with both a cream and powder formula. The shade I am using is Pink Sprinkles. It's highly pigmented, blends easily, and this shade is one of my favorites. If you like a little warmth or sun-kissed look, you can add a touch of bronzer. This one is also from Chic Glam in the shade Golden Sun. It has a creamy, lightweight texture that blends so smoothly into the skin and feels really comfortable to wear. I love how easily it melts into the skin without looking cakey or heavy. I like setting certain areas with powder to help control shine. This Maybelline Fit Me is one of my favorite affordable pressed powders because the formula is so smooth and lightweight. I especially love using it under my eyes because it helps blur the area beautifully and gives a more polished look without looking heavy. This is the kind of product I would recommend if you are a beginner or if you are just starting to build your makeup collection. For brows, I personally like a more natural look, so I just fill in a few areas where I need a little extra definition. This Chic Glam eyebrow pencil is so thin that you can easily create hair-like strokes, giving your brows a clean and natural appearance. I also love that it comes with a spoolie, which makes it easy to blend the product through the brows. Then I go with this NYX brow gel to set everything in place. It holds my brows throughout the day, and I love that it does not leave that white flaky residue once it dries. For school, I like keeping the eyes simple. A little mascara and defined brows can make a big difference. Before applying mascara, I always use an eyelash curler. This one from Wet n Wild is one of my favorites because I look for a curler with a nice curved shape that fits my natural eye shape. Curved shape helps lift and curl the lash in just a few seconds, so I don't have to keep going back over the same area. For mascara, I am using the Essence Lash Princess Falls Lash Effect Waterproof Mascara. Is one of the most popular affordable drugstore mascaras and it's only around $4.99. It gives my lashes a fuller, longer look while adding volume and definition. Many people love it because it gives a fall lash effect without needing a high-end mascara. Lip liner and gloss are an easy way to finish off an everyday makeup look. These are some of my favorite lip products. NYX makes some of the best lip liners. They are creamy, easy to apply, and help give your lips a little more definition. I also like to use a lip tint. This one is from Amazon. It's the Bay Free Lip Tint in the shade Watermelon. I really love how pigmented it is. You get beautiful color with just one swipe. Even if the gloss wears off, I still have a beautiful tint left on my lips. To finish everything off, I add my favorite Chic Glam lip gloss in shade Born Ready. This shade is so pretty. It works with so many different lip combinations. It's shiny, comfortable and non-sticky, which makes it perfect for an everyday glossy lips. Finally, setting spray. You can skip this step, but it really helps lock your makeup in place and helps it last longer throughout the day. This L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Spray is one of my favorites. It's almost like a hairspray for your makeup, especially on hot summer days when I want my makeup to stay fresh and last longer. And that's my affordable back to school makeup routine. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.